हां, रामकृष्ण हरी. आत्ताच माऊलींनी जे सांगितलं की आम्ही ड्रेसिंग करतो, तर ड्रेसिंग करताना बॉईडनी एक सांगितलेलं आहे, आय ड्रेस द वुंड अँड गॉड हिल्स इट. याच उद्देशाने आम्ही जाणं, म्हणजे आम्ही फक्त ड्रेसिंग करतो, पण पांडुरंग त्यांची जखम भरून आणेल हीच सदिच्छा.
Ramakrishna Hari, a very good morning. I am Dr. Sneha Bhosle from Dr. G.D. Paul Foundation's YMT Homeopathic Medical College. On behalf of Dr. G.D. Paul Foundation, which is located at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, it has two colleges, namely Homeopathic College and Ayurvedic College. In association with the Mauli Trust, which was just mentioned, the Dindi starts from here, Dadar, Swami Samartha Mutt, and our PG students and doctors participate in this Dindi since more than 15 years. From simple wound healing to complex chronic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension. If they have any acute complaints, they are very well managed in these camps held at Saswad, Pandharpur and Anandi. The doctors come with huge enthusiasm and they serve so that very less time hospital management is required. It is done in these camps itself. Thank you a lot. This is with a lot of enthusiasm. It is very divine. And we wish that we get this opportunity from Mauli Trust, Dadar.
सर्व डॉक्टर या साईडला या. हॅलो 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 माईक तुम्ही भजन चालू ठेवा सर. चालू चल रेडी. महाराष्ट्रामध्ये वारीला एक जुना इतिहास आहे आणि असाधारण असं महत्व आहे. अशातच वारीमध्ये अनेक दिंडी या सहभागी घेत असतात.